Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to cook delicious Kare Kare Oxtail. First, let's get our oxtail ready. You'll want about 2 to 3 pounds. Start by boiling it for 10 minutes, then drain and rinse. This helps clean it. Next, simmer the oxtail in fresh water with 1 whole onion and 1 tablespoon of salt for 2 to 3 hours until it's super tender. Don't forget to skim off any foam. Now let's create that rich, savory peanut sauce. In a large pot, heat 3 tablespoons of annatto oil and sauté 1 head of minced garlic and 1 large chopped onion until they are fragrant. Then, stir in 1/4 cup of rice flour, 1 cup of creamy peanut butter, and 4 cups of the flavorful oxtail broth we saved. Keep stirring over medium heat until the sauce becomes wonderfully thick and creamy. Next up are vibrant vegetables. We'll blanch 1 bunch of bok choy, 1 bunch of string beans, and 2 eggplants, cut into 1-inch pieces until they're just tender crisp. Once blanched, carefully add these colorful veggies and our tender oxtail to the rich peanut sauce. Give it a gentle stir, making sure everything is beautifully coated in that delicious, nutty goodness. It's starting to look amazing. Finally, let's finish up and serve this incredible dish. Taste your Kare Kare and adjust the seasoning with a little salt and pepper if you like. Serve it piping hot, perhaps with a sprinkle of toasted ground peanuts for extra texture. And of course, it's traditionally enjoyed with a generous side of bagoong alamang and plenty of steamed white rice. Get ready to savor every bite of this Filipino classic.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.